You may have seen other tutorials on the TypeCraft app where you were shown the basic concept of what this tool can do. But what if I told you there was a complex use case for this tool that will blow your viewers away? Let's get started. Open Canva and create a new design. I'm using a YouTube thumbnail crop, but you can follow along with whatever dimensions suit your project. First, we need to place our base image on the canvas. For this type of typography design, anything goes, as long as the image has some sort of an outline to work with. Let's use this Nike sports shoe as our base template. Now open the app section and search for the TypeCraft app. Here's how the app works. Type your content into the text section. Select your font type here. They provide a limited choice of fonts, but they are all suitable for this type of design. Next, choose your style and color, and the Edit Shape section allows you to bend the font into whatever shape you desire. For this type of design, we need to add the word to the canvas without any alterations. Identify the most suitable section of the image to place the word, then rotate and resize so it roughly fits into the space. Now, with the word selected, click on the Edit link and reshape the word so it fits more precisely into the desired section. You may need to repeat this process multiple times before you get the best result possible. Let's fill in the Nike logo. Enter the wording, then change the color and add it to the canvas. Resize and rotate. Reshape the word until you achieve your desired outcome. Okay, now that we have the concept dialed in, I'm going to speed through the rest of the sections so we can get to the next steps more quickly. By the way, for the best results, make sure to enter all wording in capital letters, as this helps shape the words together more consistently. Now that we have the image covered, it's time to delete the base image. That way, we can identify any significant gaps and make adjustments where needed. Finally, update any colors where required, including the background color of the canvas. Since you made it this far, you might be interested in this video. It's full of advanced design tips in Canva. Until next time.